Alright, hey, what's up YouTube? I know it's been a while since I posted anything about the Honda. I just want to let you know that I've been just saving up for parts. So I now have a Schimpf linkage also for it. I got two different ones. I got a 94 and then I got a 98, just in case. I didn't know which one would fit. So, but I also got now the half shafts and the downpipe. Here's the other one. The only thing I need left now is a distributor. I need a 98 distributor. The 94 one will not work with my 98 harness. These are also two different starters, I believe. Let's see. So this half shaft's from 94, I believe. But yeah, so I'm actually going to start taking apart the D-Series. I'm going to use the turbo and everything from it, except for this, obviously. I'm going to buy a B-Series manifold. But I'm going to show you step by step what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be obviously disconnecting the motor mounts, the harness, everything. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing on the Honda. I'm also still working on the truck over there. It's not done yet. I got to get a complete front end alignment and everything on it. I need all new parts, control arms, you name it, because it's pretty sloppy right now. But for the Civic, I'm going to start working on this thing because I don't want it to sit no more. It's been sitting so long that, look how dirty it is. You can see that. It's gross. It just rained a little while ago, finally stopped. So, gonna be working on this. I want to rebuild this and put it into a different shell. I want to get an EG hatch later on, so I'm gonna look for one in the future. But I'm gonna take this motor out and rebuild it. I want to put pistons, rods, and probably cams. I'm not sure yet, but I know I want to put new pistons and rods in it because the ones that are in it right now, they're way too thin. It maybe can push 200, maybe 250 on it stock without ruining anything. I didn't want to push it too hard. So this motor will be coming out. I'll rebuild this later, but we're going to be rebuilding the B18. I'm going to put pistons, rods, ARP head studs in this before I put it in here. But I'm going to show you how to take this all out. I'm going to disconnect everything. So it's going to be fun couple videos. I'm going to do it part by part because I've been busy lately. That's why I haven't also been posting, and I've been honestly lazy. But I want to start doing videos again. I miss driving this thing. So yeah, so stay tuned for the step-by-step of taking out your D-Series and swapping in a B-Series. So over the next month or so, I'm going to be putting out part by part videos. I don't know how long they're going to be, probably like 15, maybe 20 minutes each. We'll see. But I thank you all for still sticking by and waiting patiently. I'm sorry I haven't been posting, but I want to start posting now that I have a little bit more free time. But don't worry, I'm going to do both on the Civic and the truck. The truck, I just want to get the whole front end replaced, get it ready for paint and everything. I'm probably going to be repainting the Civic too because it's been sitting for so long that dirt just caked up on it, burnt into the paint. Because remember, it doesn't even have clear coat yet on it. It's just Rust-Oleum. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be posting probably this weekend about disconnecting everything for part 1. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.